This is the summary created from the video. Mobile cloud computing II. Mobile devices, though ubiquitous, sometimes lack computing power for complex applications, but mobile cloud computing allows small devices to access large apps and centralized data by offloading tasks to the cloud, enabling the Internet of Things while addressing challenges like delays, reliability, and security. Key challenges in mobile cloud computing include optimizing energy usage through dynamic app partitioning for local or remote execution, employing profilers and solvers to determine optimal partition for efficiency, utilizing client-server architecture for synchronization and data transfer, supporting transparent thread migration between devices using distributed shared memory, and optimizing data traffic by transferring only modified memory portions. Partitioning program execution on heterogeneous resources like mobile and cloud is challenging, as energy consumption, execution time, and other constraints need to be optimized for code offloading. Static partitioning determines offloading at launch while dynamic adapts to varying conditions, considering mobile communication challenges like low bandwidth, availability, heterogeneity, and connectivity issues to determine which code portions to offload for optimal energy savings. A cloudlet is a trusted, resource-rich computer or cluster near mobile devices, where offloading code reduces latency via single hop and lowers battery use. The cloudlet architecture has mobile devices, cloudlets, and remote cloud, with the cloudlets serving as a middle tier between mobile devices and cloud, aiming to reduce latency and improve energy savings for mobile devices. Energy optimization for code offloading involves breaking down mobile device energy consumption into computing idle and transmitting costs, deriving formulas for potential energy savings by offloading computation to cloud servers. Savings occur when transmission data is small, compared to computation, and the cloud is much faster, though not all applications benefit due to overheads like security and reliability, making offloading advantageous for computationally intensive tasks with minimal data transmission. Decision models for optimal offloading partition programs based on computational and communication costs. Determining offloading schemes through profiling computation time and data at procedure level, using cost graphs and branch-bound algorithms to minimize energy consumption and data usage while maximizing energy savings while preserving latency, and addressing heterogeneity of wireless networks and offload system components with a holistic consideration. In summary, mobile cloud computing offloads intensive tasks to the cloud, enabling complex apps and the Internet of Things on resource-constrained devices by addressing challenges like energy, latency, reliability, and security through app partitioning to determine what code to offload for best gains, using cloudlets as proximate servers to reduce latency, and employing decision models to optimize offloading based on costs and constraints. Please stay tuned for more summary videos.